Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see Chapter 2 Polynomials, Exercise 2.2, question number 1. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So we have to find the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial first, and then we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So we are going to see the first sum, x square minus 2x minus 8. So here this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So we are going to use the splitting the middle term for factorization. So the c value is minus 8 here. So I am going to put minus 8 and the b value is minus 2. So I have to choose two numbers such that when I multiply those two numbers, I will be getting minus 8, and when I add those two numbers, I will get minus 2 as the answer. So I am taking 4 and 2. If I take 4 and 2, both are positive. So when I multiply 4 into 2, I will be getting only 8, but I have minus 8 here. And here I have minus 2. So I have to put minus before 4, because when I add or subtract, I should have the sign of the greater number. So when I subtract minus 4 plus 2, I will be getting minus 2, since I will put the greater number sign. So I am going to put x square. In place of minus 2x, I am going to use plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. That is, I am writing these two values in terms of x. I have plus 2 here, so I am putting plus 2x. I have minus 4 here, and I am putting minus 4 here. When I check with these two values, I have x as common. So I am taking x as common. I will get x plus 2, and here I have 4 and 8, so both are multiples of 4, and I have a minus sign also, so I am going to take minus 4 as common. I will get x minus 4 2s are 8. I will get a plus sign because I have taken minus outside, so x minus 4 into x plus 2. So I've got x minus 4 and x plus 2. When I equate it to 0, I will get x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. That is, I am taking this minus 4 this side. I will get x is equal to 4. And x plus 2 is equal to 0. I am taking this plus 2 this side. I will get x equal to minus 2. So this is my alpha value and this is my beta value. Now I have to verify the relationship, as I have found the zeros of the given polynomial. So what is the relationship is sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So what is alpha here? 4 minus 2, and this will be equal to 2. And in the right hand side I have minus. What is the b value here is minus 2. Minus 2. So if you don't understand, you can write the values of a, b and c in the side, and then you can substitute here. So I have the a value as 1, since the coefficient of x square, there is no coefficient for x square, they have given only x square. So I am writing 1 in place of a. B is minus 2, we have to put it with the sign, and c equal to minus 8. So minus of b is minus 2 and a is 1. So I will have in the left hand side 4 minus 2 is 2. In the right hand side minus of minus 2 is 2. So my LHS and RHS are equal. Hence the relationship is verified, and this is done for sum of the zeros. Now we have to proceed with product of the zeros. So product of the zeros. So what we will do is alpha into beta equal to C by A. So what is the alpha value is 4 and the beta value is minus 2. On in the right hand side I have C as minus 8. Minus 8 by 1. A is 1. So now if I multiply 4 and minus 2, I will be getting minus 8. And this is equal to minus 8. My left hand side and right hand side are equal. Hence verified. And this is how we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. And now we will see the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, they have given 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So when we do the splitting the middle term, we have to make the value of a as 1 before proceeding with the splitting the middle term method. So here I have the a as what? I have a as 4. So I have to make it as 1. So for that what I will do is I will multiply this 4 with the c value. So I will get 1 into 4 is 4. This is for the c value and my a will become 1 here. After this I will proceed with the splitting the middle term. So what I have to write? I have to put the c in the top and my b value should be here. So what is the c value I got? 1 into 4. I have multiplied this 4 with 1. So I will get 4 at the top and in the middle I will have minus 4. We have to put with the sign. So minus 4. So now I have to find two values or two numbers, that is when I add those two numbers I will get minus 4 and when I multiply those two numbers I will get 4. So when I take 2 and 2, 2 into 2 is 4, but when I add 2 plus 2 I will get only 4, not minus 4. So my sign is differing. So what I have to do is I am putting minus sign in front of 2. So I will have minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 will be 4. 2 into 2 4, minus into minus is plus. Now minus 2 plus minus 2 will be minus 4. So these numbers are satisfying both the conditions. Now I am going to use minus 2 in place of this value, that is minus 4s. I am going to put minus 2 and minus 2. 4s square minus 4s. In place of minus 4s I am going to put minus 2s plus 1. Now I have 4 here 2 and s square s. So these two are multiples of 2. So I am going to take 2 as common and s I have on both the terms. So I am going to take s also as common. So I will have 2s minus 1. Whenever we do the splitting the middle term, our value in the bracket should be same for both the terms. That is, when I solve this I am getting 2s minus 1. The same way when I solve this I should get in the bracket 2s minus 1. But I have minus 2s plus 1. So the sign alone is differing. So what I will do is I am going to take minus outside. So when I take minus outside I will have 2s minus 1. That is minus into plus I will have minus 2s. Minus into minus plus 1 will come. So I am taking minus 1 alone outside from these two terms. Now Again, in the next step, I am going to take 2s minus 1 as common. So 2s minus 1, when I take it as common, remaining I will have 2s minus 1. So 2s minus 1. So these are the factors for this quadratic polynomial. So 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly for this also. So our zeros are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. I take this as alpha and this is beta. Now we have to verify the relationship. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. That is sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to. So what are the terms we have in a, b, c values? That is a equal to we have as 4, b equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. Only during the splitting the middle term we multiply this a value with 1 and write it here. For other steps and all we have to use the same equation. We should not change the value of a, b, c and all. So in place of b I have minus 4. Already I have a minus here and in place of b I have minus 4. Minus of minus 4 and a is 4. So when I add this I will get 2 by 2 and here minus into minus is plus 4 by 4. So 2 will get cancelled, 1 equal to 1. So my LHS and RHS are equal. So we have to do with the product of the zeros and the condition is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So my alpha value is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to c is 1 by a is 4. So when I multiply 1 into 1 is 1 and the denominator 2 into 2 I will have 4 and this is equal to 1 by 4. In the right hand side, when I substitute the value of c I will get 1 and when I substitute the value of a I will have 4. So my LHS and RHS are equal. Hence the relationship is verified. The other subdivisions we will be covering in the next video. Thank you.